What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have something a little bit different yet still home related, and that is going to be a huge shop with me. I recently took a trip and decided to bring along the camera to some amazing stores I've really been wanting to visit for some time, and those are Arhaus, Pottery Barn, and Ballard Design. I took you guys with me so that you could see all the newest, greatest, and latest home decor pieces that they had, and I'm also going to do a little mini haul at the end of the items that I got. So if you are interested in seeing this shop with me and haul, then just keep watching. as expensive as like a Restoration Hardware, but they absolutely were. And of course the quality was totally worth it, you know, not saying it's not. I just wasn't expecting it to be that high end. But style wise, I think that they had some of the most unique, amazing pieces. It's a little bit more eclectic than Restoration Hardware. I feel like Restoration Hardware is very blanketed, simple, neutral, to the point, clean lines, but this had a little bit more pizzazz. Like that dining room or kitchen table that was that really thick, raw edged, it looked like a marble or some sort of stone. Loved it. And then mixing that with the wood tones, it's just, the style to me is perfection. That mirror, the super long beige mirror that had wood over top of it, amazing to me. Just the beds, and again the quality just really looked phenomenal. So really blown away by all of those stores. I did pick up a piece from Pottery Barn and actually DIY'd it to look like the one. Of course, I'm sure you noticed I zoomed in on it so much, and it was that beautiful black vase. If you also follow me on my Instagram, you will know I have posted it because I am obsessed with it. I also saw recently Brandy Jackson had it. I'm pretty sure it's the same one. She has great taste. I mean, this thing obviously is popular for a reason. So it is a little bit more on the expensive side. It is an investment. But honestly, for the size and the quality, I think it's totally worth it. You can also watch to see, because sometimes their items do go on sale. Specifically at Pottery Barn, I shopped there, I believe it was around the holiday season, and I got that black, kind of like that raffia woven burlap material runner that went on my, I guess, kitchen dining room table. And I got it on clearance for like, oh my gosh, I think it went down to like $20-something. So again, I don't know if this is something that is going to go on sale, but by all means, track it. It is so worth it. So without further ado, let me show you this masterpiece that I put together and DIY'd, because let me tell you, the one that they had in store was so expensive. Okay, this bad boy right here was so gorgeous in store, and they had so many pieces of eucalyptus in it, and as you can see, I still have not completely filled it, but the idea is to get them in and have them kind of sprawling out, so you've got that width factor going on here. The pot or vase vessel in and of itself at first glance is a little bit on the glossy side, but it's got so much texture, and then as you go down, it does have a nice band of distress here and band of distress here at the top, and just is so beautiful, so lovely. And the size, you guys, the size is phenomenal. It is massive. It took every ounce of energy in my body to get it out to the car without dropping it. It was so heavy. And again, the eucalyptus that they had was gorgeous in store. I will kind of zoom out so you can see just how big it is. They had a ton of them. Again, I still need more, but I'm having trouble, of course, now that I posted about it, finding more of the stems. However, I eventually will. But they had so many, and they were like something crazy, like $20-something a stem, I believe. I don't know, I'll post it below, but I remember I had him take them all out and count them out, and it was an ungodly amount of money, seriously, just to fill the vase. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get the vase because I love it. I've seen nothing like this. It's perfection, and then I'll find the stems. And I found these from Hearth and Hand at Magnolia from Target, $5.99. I can give you the link to them below. They are so beautiful. They have so much texture. As you can see, they have a little bit of whitewashing on the leaves. I did get a total, I will count them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stems in here. I definitely need, I would say, at least 2 to 3 more. So if you get this, get at least 10 to 12 stems. So 10 to 12 stems. And then this is what each stem looks like. And I mean, if you're getting a stem that's absolutely massive and thick, then you won't need that many. But these stems, I guess, are standard size. But I just want to get a little bit more to make it a little bit fuller at the top. And then, of course, kind of bend out a little bit. That's the goal I was going for. But you guys, it's just the most amazing vessel ever. Price point on this, I think I still have this sticker. It is $149. So definitely a little bit more on the pricey side. Like I said, it is an investment, but I think totally worth it. I mean, this is something you could literally put anywhere. It would match so many decor styles, and it just elevates this space. I'll kind of zoom out so you can see. I just love it for this kitchen area because it ties in with those cane bar stools and with the black lights and the handle accents on the kitchen doors. So I'm really loving it. My next idea is to do a really nice trivet over here and put a soap and all of that on there just to kind of bring everything together. But this is the piece that I got. I wish that I could have gotten so many more. They just had so many amazing items. However, they were super pricey. I did have an idea to DIY one, which will be in a future video, which was in Ballard Design, that big black vessel that was similar to this, but more of the ceramic material. So again, that'll be in a future video, but I wanted to show you guys what this looks like. If you are looking for something like this, do not hesitate to get it. I know it's expensive, but I promise you, once you see it in person, you will love it. All right, you guys, that wraps up this Shop With Me and haul from Arhaus, Ballard Design, and Pottery Barn. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will link everything in the description box down below for you guys. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.